the agent can't go wrong because now they become a student of the information.
How do you think Linqura will help Valdico agents grow both individually and inside the network over time?
Because of the way that the program can be utilized, I just firmly believe that we are going to close more commercial opportunities than we ever have in the past. With Linqura, the agent can go after the business with confidence. You know, if you're an agent and you're writing homeowners or auto personal lines all the time, so many of our agents, and it's not just our agents, it's agents throughout all networks. I don't think there's that many real pros in the commercial writing industry. And so I think the thing, and so what happens is a lot of times the agent will draw back from going after a piece of business. Even if they have a relationship with that customer, they won't go after that piece of business because they're not confident that they're going to be able to write it the way it should be written for that person they have a relationship with. And they don't want to ruin their relationship through making a mistake. So therefore they pull back. I think with the information that Linqura provides through the AI program and the coverages, I think that now, for the first time, an agent can go right to their system because nothing has existed like that. An agent can go right to their computer, they can pull up the information, put in the names, the addresses of the businesses, get the codes, and then the system will pull up the coverages that sort of risk should have or could have, and then it'll pull up the coverages that you can put toward those risks to get them covered. With that sort of a item, the agent can't go wrong because now they become a student of the information.